I'm Heather Filkins with Jones Lang LaSalle, and we're here today talking to Jones Lang LaSalle Vice President Aaron Miller, who works out of the Philadelphia office. Aaron, tell me about the Philadelphia multifamily market. How is it faring right now?
The Philadelphia multifamily market is faring well. It's a market that we think we're going to see a lot more activity. In comparison to some of the other mid-Atlantic markets, Philly is, a much smaller volume market, but it's a market where there's a lot of consistency. It's stable and steady rent growth. It doesn't see the high swings or the low dips of some of the other markets. So people are increasingly becoming more interested in getting into markets like Philly as they get priced out of some of the other more expensive mid-Atlantic markets.
That's what we're hearing, that after the core markets are so hard for some investors to get into, so they're looking out into the secondary. You would consider Philadelphia as prime spot for that?
Yes, definitely. I mean, Philadelphia has a stable base of meds and eds. They are consistently creating strong renter demand. And, it's just a market where, people like having consistency and like having the stableness. So I think that's, a lot of the draw of Philadelphia.
Who are the typical investors who are in Philadelphia right now, and do you see that changing over the year ahead?
So Philadelphia is a market that's dominated by a lot of strong local players, families. There are, maybe 5 major families in that market. But I think what we're going to see happen is that more institutions are going to start coming into Philadelphia. Last year, there were 2 big trades in the market where 2 institutions came in Center City and in, a suburb just outside of Philadelphia. And I think that Philadelphia has the opportunity to be a market that changes and that, we will start to see more institutional players come to the market.
What do you see for the year ahead for this market?
I think we're going to see a little bit, following what happened last year. We're going to start seeing more institutional sales, hopefully. We had about $500 million in volume trade last year, so I think maybe we'll see that similar level. I mean, Philadelphia just isn't a huge volume market, so we will probably never see $1 billion. It would be great if we did, but I think it'll probably be a similar year to 2011.
Thank you so much, Aaron.